Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Welcome to our video on the 17 incredible benefits of baking soda. In this episode, we'll explore the remarkable properties of this versatile household staple. From its role in baking to its surprising uses in cleaning, personal care, and even as a health remedy, baking soda is a true multitasker. We'll dive into how this simple white powder can enhance your daily life, save you money, and even contribute to a healthier home environment. Whether you're a baking enthusiast or just looking for practical tips, you'll discover why baking soda deserves a spot in every household. Let's get started. Before we dive into the main subject, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell if you enjoy our content. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. Check out our related content for more health tips. Your engagement enables us to continue providing valuable information and tips for a healthier life. I appreciate your support. What is baking soda? Baking soda, scientifically known as sodium bicarbonate, is a white crystalline powder that plays a crucial role in various chemical reactions. Its alkaline nature allows it to neutralize acids, making it a key ingredient in baking, where it helps dough rise by producing carbon dioxide when combined with acidic components. Commonly found in both powder and granular forms, baking soda is readily available in most households, often stored in the kitchen for use in cooking and baking. Its versatility extends beyond the kitchen, making it an essential item for cleaning and personal care as well. Baking soda as a leavening agent. In baking, baking soda acts as a leavening agent by reacting with acidic ingredients, such as vinegar, yogurt, or buttermilk. This chemical reaction produces carbon dioxide gas, which creates bubbles in the dough, causing it to rise and become light and fluffy. Common baked goods that benefit from the addition of baking soda include cakes, cookies, and pancakes, where a tender texture is desired. However, it's crucial to measure baking soda accurately. Too little may result in dense products, while too much can lead to an unpleasant taste. Proper measurements ensure that your baked treats turn out perfectly every time. Odor neutralization. Baking soda is a powerful odor neutralizer due to its ability to absorb and neutralize unpleasant smells. The science behind this lies in its alkaline nature, which interacts with acidic odor molecules, effectively neutralizing them. Common areas in the home where baking soda can be used include the refrigerator, carpets, and trash cans. To freshen spaces, place an open box of baking soda in the fridge or sprinkle it on carpets before vacuuming. For a quick fix, create a paste with water and apply it to surfaces that hold odors, allowing it to sit for a few minutes before rinsing away for a fresh scent. Cleaning agent. Baking soda is an effective natural cleaning product, thanks to its mild abrasive properties that make it ideal for scrubbing surfaces without scratching. It can be used to clean a variety of items, including kitchen countertops, sinks, ovens, and even bathroom tiles. Additionally, baking soda is an excellent deodorizer for carpets and upholstery. One of the key benefits of using baking soda is its safety. It's non-toxic and environmentally friendly compared to harsh chemical cleaners. This makes it an excellent choice for households with children and pets, allowing you to maintain a clean home without compromising health or the environment. Stain removal. Baking soda is a powerful ally in the battle against stains, effectively tackling a variety of surfaces, including fabric, carpets, and hard surfaces. Its gentle abrasive nature helps lift stains without damaging the material. To create a paste for stain treatment, mix baking soda with a small amount of water until it reaches a thick consistency. This paste can be applied to stains from coffee, wine, grease, and even pet accidents. Allow it to sit for a few minutes before scrubbing gently and rinsing. With baking soda, you can achieve impressive stain removal results while keeping your home safe and chemical-free. Deodorizing fridges and freezers. Baking soda is an excellent solution for keeping your refrigerator smelling fresh. To use it effectively, place an open box of baking soda in the fridge, allowing it to absorb unwanted odors. For optimal results, it's recommended to replace the baking soda every 3 months, as its effectiveness diminishes over time. Additionally, to maintain a fresh-smelling fridge, regularly check for expired or spoiled food and clean spills promptly. You can also use a mixture of baking soda and water to wipe down shelves, further enhancing odor control. With these simple steps, your fridge can stay fresh and inviting. Personal care uses. Baking soda offers a range of personal care applications that can enhance your daily routine. One widespread use is in toothpaste, where it acts as a natural whitening agent, helping to remove stains and brighten teeth. Additionally, baking soda can be incorporated into homemade deodorants and scrubs, providing effective odor control and gentle exfoliation. However, it's essential to exercise caution, as some individuals may experience skin sensitivity. Always perform a patch test before applying baking soda to your skin, and consider diluting it with water or mixing it with other ingredients to minimize irritation. With proper use, baking soda can be a valuable addition to your personal care regimen. pH balancing. Baking soda plays a crucial role in maintaining pH balance across various applications. In gardening, it can be used to neutralize acidic soil, promoting healthier plant growth and improving nutrient availability. When it comes to swimming pools, adding baking soda helps maintain proper pH levels, ensuring clean and safe water for swimmers. Additionally, baking soda can benefit skin pH balance by acting as a gentle exfoliant and helping to soothe irritation. By incorporating baking soda into these areas, you can achieve optimal conditions for plants, pools, and skin, making it a versatile tool for maintaining balance in your environment. Fire extinguisher. Baking soda can be an effective tool for extinguishing small grease fires due to its unique chemical properties. When heated, baking soda releases carbon dioxide, which helps smother flames and deprive the fire of its oxygen supply. However, it's crucial to exercise caution when using baking soda for fire control. Always ensure you're dealing with a small fire and never pour water on grease fires, as this can worsen the situation. This knowledge is beneficial in kitchen settings, where grease fires can occur while cooking. Keeping a box of baking soda nearby can provide peace of mind and a quick response in emergencies. Laundry booster. Baking soda is a fantastic laundry booster that enhances washing performance by brightening whites and effectively removing odors. Its alkaline nature helps to break down stains and neutralize unpleasant smells, leaving your clothes fresh and clean. To incorporate baking soda into your laundry routine, add half a cup to your washing machine along with your regular detergent. It's compatible with various types of detergents, whether liquid or powder, and works well in both standard and high-efficiency machines. For an extra boost, you can also create a paste with water to treat stubborn stains before washing, ensuring your laundry looks its best. Insect bite relief. Baking soda is an effective remedy for soothing insect bites and stings due to its anti-inflammatory properties, which help reduce swelling and irritation. To create a soothing paste, mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with a few drops of water until it forms a thick consistency. Apply the paste directly to the affected area and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off. While baking soda is generally safe, individuals with sensitive skin should perform a patch test first to avoid irritation. This natural remedy can provide quick relief and comfort after encounters with pesky insects. Heartburn relief. Baking soda can effectively alleviate heartburn symptoms by neutralizing stomach acid. When ingested, it reacts with the acid in the stomach, forming carbon dioxide and water, which helps reduce acidity and relieve discomfort. For adults, a typical dosage is to mix half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it. However, it's essential to limit this to no more than 7 times a week due to potential side effects, such as increased sodium intake. If heartburn symptoms persist for more than 2 weeks or worsen, it's essential to seek medical advice to rule out underlying conditions. Pet care. Baking soda is a valuable tool in pet care, particularly for deodorizing pet beds and carpets. Its natural odor-absorbing properties help eliminate unpleasant smells, making your home fresher. Sprinkle baking soda on the surfaces, let it sit for 15 minutes, and then vacuum it up. Additionally, baking soda can be used in homemade pet shampoos to help clean and freshen your furry friends. However, it's important to use baking soda in moderation and ensure it's thoroughly rinsed out to avoid skin irritation. Constantly monitor your pets for any adverse reactions, and consult your veterinarian if you have concerns about their exposure to the substance. Gardening aid. Baking soda is a beneficial addition to gardening practices, particularly in preventing fungal growth on plants. Its alkaline properties create an unfavorable environment for fungi, helping to protect your plants from diseases like powdery mildew. Additionally, baking soda can improve soil quality by neutralizing acidic soil and promoting healthier plant growth. For application, gardeners can mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with a gallon of water and spray it on affected plants to deter fungal issues. To enhance soil quality, incorporate baking soda into the soil before planting. With these simple methods, baking soda can contribute to a thriving garden. Homemade air freshener. Creating a natural air freshener using baking soda is a simple and effective method. To make your own, combine half a cup of baking soda with 10 to 15 drops of your favorite essential oil in a small jar. Stir well and cover the jar with a breathable fabric or paper lid, allowing the scent to disperse while keeping the baking soda contained. This homemade air freshener avoids the harmful chemicals often found in commercial products, making it a safer choice for your home. For customization, try different essential oils, such as lavender, lemon, or eucalyptus, to create a refreshing atmosphere tailored to your preferences. Baking soda in cooking. Baking soda has versatile culinary uses that extend beyond baking. One of its key roles is tenderizing meats and vegetables, as it helps break down proteins, resulting in a more tender texture. For example, adding a pinch of baking soda to marinades for beef or chicken can enhance tenderness, while sprinkling it on vegetables like broccoli can help maintain their vibrant color during cooking. Dishes such as stir-fries and stews can benefit from this technique. However, it's important to use baking soda in moderation, as excessive amounts can alter the flavor and texture of your food. Always rinse thoroughly after marinating to avoid any aftertaste. Baking soda for foot care. Baking soda is an excellent ingredient for foot care, particularly in foot soaks that help combat odor and soften rough skin. To create a soothing foot soak, dissolve 1/2 cup of baking soda in a basin of warm water and soak your feet for 15-20 minutes. For a simple foot scrub, mix 3 tablespoons of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of water to form a paste. Gently massage this mixture onto your feet, focusing on rough areas, and rinse thoroughly. However, individuals with sensitive skin should perform a patch test first and avoid prolonged exposure to prevent irritation. Baking soda for hair care. Baking soda can be a valuable addition to hair care routines, particularly for removing product buildup that can weigh hair down and dull its shine. To use baking soda as a shampoo alternative, mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 1 cup of water to create a cleansing solution. Apply it to wet hair, massaging it into the scalp, and then rinse thoroughly. However, it's important to note that baking soda can be drying, especially for curly or color-treated hair. Individuals with sensitive or dry hair types should use it sparingly and follow up with a moisturizing conditioner to maintain hair health. Baking soda is an incredibly versatile and essential ingredient that offers numerous benefits in our daily lives. From its role as a leavening agent in baking to its effectiveness in cleaning, deodorizing, and even personal care, baking soda proves to be a multitasker in every household. We encourage you to try out the various uses shared in this video and experience the advantages for yourself. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe, like, and share this video for more valuable content. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoy incorporating baking soda into your everyday routines.